Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to check the recently deleted posts, video, reels on Instagram. So if you recently delete a post or a video or reel, you can check it by this feature. So if you want to check it, click on the three line icon at the top right, and here you need to click on the your activity section. Under your activity section, you need to scroll down, and you need to click on the recently deleted. Once you click that, I had deleted this video recently in order to show you. So if want to delete it permanently, you need to click on delete now. So this is the way in order to restore your recently deleted video, post or anything else. If you don't check within 30 days, it will delete it automatically from Instagram system. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to recover recently deleted posts, reels and video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.